everyone, Miss Ashley here. Today we are going to hopefully go through making some paper ninja stars. Now if you know me, origami isn't something that is always very easy for me to work my way through, but I have successfully made one of these and I'm hoping you'll be able to work along with me through this video to make another one. Okay, so to get started you're going to grab 2 pieces of paper. Now in your kit from the library, you should have 4 pieces of 8.5 by 11 paper. Grab any 2 of those, and in order to get them to the squares that you need them to be, you should fold one corner down and cut off the rectangle strip. And when you open it back up, you should have some squares. So pause your video and do that step now. I have done that with 2 of mine. So when you're ready, we'll get working along here. Okay, and by the way, if you weren't able to grab a kit at the library, this is something you can do with any paper you've got lying around at home. Okay, just as long as you've got 2 squares, you're good to go. Now, I've got my handy cheat sheets over here, and you do, by the way, if you were able to get the kit from the library, you do have the link for this, so if the video isn't working for you, you certainly can grab that link and see if these instructions work a little bit better for you. Okay, so let's get rolling. All right, first step, you are going to need to fold your paper in half. Okay, so you're going to fold both pieces in half like this. Okay. Fold them in half again so that you've got a long skinny strip. So you want this shape. Okay? You're going to do that. You're going to do every step, by the way, with both pieces of paper. That might be a little bit easier to do them both kind of simultaneously, I'm hoping anyway. Okay. All right, we're ready for our next step. This one's easy. Promise you can handle this one. I'm going to fold them in half like this so that you've got a crease. You can handle this one. Okay. I'll let you finish up that fold, and I'm going to, yep, got those pages done. Catch up my instructions. All right, so this is where things kind of start to, there we go, get a little different. So you're going to take one of your pieces of paper. I'm going to take the one that's in my right hand. You're going to grab the fold from the top, and you're going to fold that piece down so that it meets that halfway crease. Okay, fold it to the right, so I'll kind of show you how my fold ends up looking. Yep. Okay, so this is that middle crease. Okay, so you're going to grab it, fold it down and to the right. Okay, so set that back in front of you when you get that step done. Grab your other piece of paper. This is why I wanted to do them simultaneously. You're going to grab that piece. You're going to fold it down, meet that middle crease, but instead this time, you're going to go to the left. Okay? got your strip. Your middle crease is here. You're going to go down and to the left. So you've got two different pieces going in two different directions. Okay, set those down in front of you. This is where I started to kind of get a little confused, so bear with me. It's only my second time doing this, guys. Okay, so start with our right piece of paper again. Grab the bottom this time. I'm going to fold that piece up. Yep, that's right. Okay. Right hand piece of paper, right? I'm going to fold up so you meet that fold, and it folds out in the opposite direction. Okay? So grab the bottom of your paper, I'm going to fold up to the opposite. Okay? You can pause the video as many times as you need. So when you're ready to do the left, same kind of concept. You're going to grab the bottom, fold up to meet that fold in the middle. We're going to go in that opposite direction. Okay? So, this is the left piece of paper. Grab the bottom, fold up, and then crease so it meets in the opposite direction. Okay? All right, guys, we're on track. Promise we'll get there. Oh, this is when it gets tough. We can do it. Okay. Oop. Okay, right. So once you're done with these steps, you are going to flip your papers over. Okay. Set the left-hand one kind of off to the side. Don't let it go too far. Okay. Gonna kind of rotate your paper. All right. If you look, you've got two squares on each side. Okay. Grab the top point. Hold on. Give me just a second here. Okay. Grab the oh, that's not right. That's not right. Okay, it's gotta be that. The outside point. So place it on the table. Grab that very outside point and bring it in and fold it like that. So essentially when you fold it, you've got a straight up and down edge on the side. Okay? Give it a whirl, guys. You're gonna do the same on both sides. Okay. push that one up. We're done with that one for a second. Bring that other piece back down, rotate it, okay? And do the same thing again. The outermost point is going to come in and fold right until it hits that edge. Okay, you're going to crease until you have an up and down straight edge right here. Okay, same thing again. Crease when you've got that up and down straight edge. Okay, I'm going to show you. Straight edge here and straight edge here. Okay. All right. Almost there. Now when you've got all of that done, kind of look at your pieces here. They look pretty similar, right? That's the goal. Now you're going to take your pieces and you want the sides of them that are the same to be sandwiched on each other. You want them to touch, essentially. So the side that, if you look in the shape that's in the middle, right here, there's no opening in the very center. You want those pieces to touch. That's important, okay? So if you look, there is no opening right here. Okay, we want those to touch. So you're going to put those together. Okay, so when you look at those, got an opening here, flip it over. Got an opening here, you're on the right track. Okay, that's good. All right, now is where we get a little tricky. For some reason, when I did this the first time around, I couldn't figure out how to get my star to fold all together. And then all of a sudden, I hit the right part and ta-da, it like collapsed in on itself and it was folded together. I'm hoping that will happen again this time around. So let's give it a whirl, okay? So whatever piece ended up on the bottom of your star, you're going to grab the point on the right-hand side that's underneath and tuck it down so that it's underneath the flap that your topmost point makes. I don't think I'm describing that well, but we're going to do our best, okay? And then you're going to spin your star. You're going to grab again that bottom point. You're going to tuck it underneath the flap that your top piece makes. And it feels a little weird. It doesn't quite want to go, but it will. That's the part that tripped me up last time. It just didn't fit right. But that's the way it's supposed to go. Okay, flip it over. All right, now grab your right hand side and tuck that. Oh, this is the part that got me last time. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So you're going to tuck that point in the pocket created by that top flap. Okay, and you kind of got to bend it a little bit. It doesn't want to go. Spin it. And this is the very last point. And you're going to tuck that in, and you kind of start to see your star start to take shape. There it is. Tuck it all in together. Might have to wiggle it around a little, but then you should end up with something like this. Okay? I know this video was really, really hard to understand, and I'm so sorry for that. But the good news is there are awesome videos, instructions online that will help you out, okay? So I will definitely give you the link with your kit. I will post this link online that I use, and hopefully between the video that I'm making here and everything that's online. You'll be able to figure it out and definitely get some ninja stars going at home. Okay? You can grab your markers and things that you've got at home, decorate up your stars, and become a ninja. All right, so I will include some cool paper in your kit and see what you can come up with at home. So thanks for sticking with me if you did, and I hope this helped. So I will see you soon. Talk to you later, everyone. Bye.